We have just been looking at manipulating antecedent events to modify the environment. Now let's look at ways to manipulate the consequences of behavior. Magi classifies this intervention as in the behavioral package and finds it to be an effective intervention. Positive outcomes have been demonstrated in academics, communication, interpersonal, motor, personal responsibility, play, self-regulation, social development, cognitive development, adaptive behavior, transitions, and problem behavior. If there are challenging behaviors occurring, we need to take care not to even inadvertently reinforce those behaviors. For example, a student blurts out in class to get the teacher's attention. The teacher needs to not respond to that behavior with his or her attention, even to tell the student that blurting out is inappropriate. Most inappropriate behavior occurs because it is somehow reinforced. The next thing that must happen is that appropriate behavior must be reinforced. Students with disabilities may have so many inappropriate behaviors that adults find it difficult to catch them being good. However, this is essential. We must be sure that we reinforce the things the student does well, even if we have to search hard for the examples thereof. If we are teaching a behavior to replace an inappropriate behavior, we must strongly reinforce the new behavior so that it is just as effective in getting what the student wants as the inappropriate behavior has been in the past. We're about to move on to teaching skills, so many things have to be in place in order for children to be available to learn. While goals are not discrete, the Magi indicates academic goals after social, communication, and behavior goals. Or, as Ruth Aspey and Barry Grossman, creators of the Ziggurat model, say, when the sensory system is calm, reinforcement is available, the environment is made predictable through structure and visual supports, and task demands are carefully designed, skills can be effectively learned.